Hello students of class 9th. Through this video related to history lesson 1, the French Revolution. Today I will discuss this chapter with you. Actually, the French Revolution was started in your book, which is written in your book. It was started with very important introduction, and this introduction is related with an event, and this event was happened on the morning 14 July 1789. I am repeating my sentence again. This incident was happened on the morning 14 July 1789. I want to tell you what happened on this time. Actually, in the city Paris, there was a rumor that King Louis XVI, who was the king of France, had commanded troops to open fire on the common people of France. When this rumor was spread, then near about 7,000 men and women collected together and they formed People's Militia. People's Militia means they turned themselves as an army of France against the King Louis XVI. Near about hundreds of people march towards the Bastille prison or Bastille jail. It was the symbol of the power of King Louis XVI. They destroyed this prison and they collected the arms and ammunition from this Bastille prison. Now you may see it was a type of revolt which was started by the common people of France against the King Louis XVI. Most of people at that time were unable to understand what is going on. They were asking to each other, how and why did this happen? How and why did this happen? When we start to search the answer of this question, then we move back and then we come to the first part of this lesson. And the name of this first part of this lesson is French Society during late 18th century. I hope you understood the introduction and I hope you will understand this particular first part of the French Revolution. My dear student, I want to tell you that in the year of 1774, King Louis XVI, who was related with the Bourbon family, ascended the throne of France. But you know, students, upon his accession, he found a problem. The problem was related with the financial problem. At that time, he found the empty treasury. Empty treasury means there was a problem of money at that time. What was the reason behind that? Actually, at that time, France helped to the 13 American colonies against the Britain, and it brought a type of financial crisis in front of the France. Students, you know, when there will be an empire, then there will be lots of expenses. There was a big court and so many courtiers were there. There was a government offices. It was very necessary to give them salary and meet their regular expenses. That is why, to meet the regular expenses, King Louis XVI, King Louis XVI decided to increase what? Taxes. So it was a type of problem. And another problem was that at that time, as you can see on this whiteboard, the French society was divided into 3 estates. The first estate was clergy, second was nobility, and third was commons. The clergy were related with the church, nobility were the officers of the France, but these 2 estates were privileged classes having lots of, lots of what we can say privileged or lots of facilities. They were free to pay any taxes of the estate. But you may see the condition of the commons. It formed majority of population, means 90% majority was formed by the commons. They were unprivileged classes without any facilities. And the problem was that they bore the burden of taxes. The taxes which was imposed on the commons, and it is to be given by the commons. And after then, there was no political right and there was no social rights and status of the commons. It means a type of majority which was formed by the commons, they were suffering from all these problems. And one more thing I want to share here, that the clergy also imposed a type of tax on the commons known as tithe. And one more tax was tithe, and this tithe, a type of direct tax, it was imposed by a state or the French government, and these 2 taxes also will be given by the commons. Now you may see the condition of commons was very poor, and there was one more problem I want to share with you. Actually, the population of France was increasing, and you may see this population was mainly covered by the commons, and the commons were not good in condition at that time. You may see here the population of France increased, mainly commons, and you may see it is very essential. If the population is increasing, the production of food grain should also increase, but it was not happening at that time. When the population was increasing, the production of food grain was decreasing. There was imbalance, and it started the crisis of food grain. But the wages of the commons were very low. They were unable to buy the food grain, and the production of food grain was also very low, and it started a type of problem of food grain, which is known as the problem of subsistence crisis. It is a type of situation when the people of France, especially the commons of France, were unable to get the food grain or those materials which are really very essential for their life and for their livelihood. And you may see these all problems were basically related to the commons, and it started a type of fear, a type of anger in the mind of commons. And these all situations where you may see increasing for what? A type of revolt. And this particular revolt was started by commons against the King Louis XVI, the French king. On this explanation, I will ask two questions with you, and I hope that you all will write answer of these two questions. First question I will ask to you, describe the incident which took place in the morning of 14 July 1789 in France. Means you have to write the incident of Bastille, when the Bastille prison was destroyed. This is the question. This is the answer of this question. Second question, explain the composition of the French society during late 18th century. You have to write in this answer the composition of the French society. Means the society was divided into three states: clergy, nobility and commons, including their features. I hope you understood this video, and I hope that you will write answer of these two questions. Thank you very much, and God bless you.